Hey guys, welcome back. And last time it came to an unexpected end because my phone seemed to run out of battery. So, not a battery, sorry, memory. So yeah, I got it sorted. So
I'm going the wrong way, ain't I?
yeah, and now we're gonna do Lighthouse. So we're gonna need to. What do we need to do?
I think it was find a radio part.
Yeah, get a radio part, wasn't it? Oh, hello. Oh, hey
We
there.
killed the zombies up here last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
I think it's good that...
I'm
going the right way.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just following the road. That's a trolling zombie, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
No, it's not. I'm dead.
Yeah, that is dead. Zombie. It's a zombie.
Hey, bet, bitch.
She's dead. Zombie. Oh, zombie. Big slap. Just punch him in the head. Yeah, I forgot you can activate Fury.
What's that?
It's a triangle.
I can't get...
Circle, I mean.
I'll get car part. Good. Got another car part. Wow, look at all these cars.
Drive that car if you can. Oh, you can't. It's broken. Oh, maybe these are spark plugs given. No? He just got trolled. Oh, he dead.
Wow, I'm trying to freaking kill these people.
Just press circle.
I'm pressing circle.
Hold it. Cause it's rage.
Dead.
Yeah.
Who was attacking me then?
Over there. They're in the car. They're over there. There.
Wow.
Did you just trip him up?
Yeah, I took his legs out. Oh, that's gross.
Shit, you're gonna die, man. Behind you.
Oh! Did you see that?
Yeah.
I twisted his body all the...
Go in there. Go to the...
Well, maybe these are not spark plugs, like you said. Maybe these are just...
car parts. So still look in the back of the thing, because it's probably going to have the ambulance. It's probably going to have some energy drinks, isn't it? Possibly.
No, don't do that.
I have a look in the... Yes.
Bandage.
Bandages.
Why can't I use them?
You have to go into that, and then find them bandages, and then equip. Oh, how the fuck are you supposed to use bandages?
That ball. So I'm gonna die.
I'm going to do it since I'm a better fighter.
No. I'm not that bad at fighting, am I?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
You shoot yourself. You're like,
No, I don't.
here you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, whatever. Trolling zombies. Trolling zombies.
He ain't getting back up.
Neither is she.
Or whatever that was. Is there a car part in there? Or was that just too much on fire?
That's just two on fire. Zombie. Fuck, you just walked into it, didn't you? getting up knocked down too, babe?
I didn't actually lose no life then. I'm proud of that. Yeah. Dick. I think we should use another weapon.
Yeah. Use the paddle. Infected.
2 hits with a paddle, is that it?
He wants a D.
I suppose these are all good for selling though, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh.
He actually doesn't even look like a zombie, does he?
No. Because he's just infected, not a zombie. Oh, look over there. I think them cars we can use. Like, that one. I think we can drive that one. Yes, we can drive that one. Hurry. Hurry to it. We can drive that one.
Oh, wait, chill.
Hurry.
Someone on the bonnet.
Yeah, just drive on it. Just drive.
You can't, Matthew.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't. See?
Alright, try the other one then. After you killed the walker. There's another one.
Oh, look how fat he is.
There's one over there. Yes, that one. You can drive that one.
Yes, you can. OMG.
Can I drive it, please?
No, I'm driving it.
What the fuck? The fuck, man? The fuck, bro?
I said getting outside, you freaking spasticated. That's why I went round that side for. What is it to drive on this? Right, so it's the same as GTA.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just smash the zombies.
I've got 14 XP for doing that. Should I get out and get the couple or just keep going?
Yeah, just keep going. Get the fuck out of here. Get to the fucking lighthouse as fast as possible.
Oh, this is going really fast. I'm trying not to crash it, so we've got sort of way back down.
There's one there. Right there.
Did you see that?
What?
He walked normal.
That's not a zombie.
Is this the safe place?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna
This is the
say.
lighthouse.
I was gonna say he's walking a bit normal for being a zombie.
Right, then you just need to walk in there.
Can't be. Where the hell did they put that?
Where the hell did I put that?
But my arse, that's where they put it.
Yeah, you should talk to him. You have to talk to that guy. No, turn around.
When we left,
This guy there. Talk to him.
You know.
Oh. Well, are you supposed to get through there? Or maybe you speak to the guys at the front, maybe.
Probably.
when we left Cinemoy, you looked like Jesus. Anyway, well,
Trade with. Oh, we can trade with him.
Yeah.
What do you want to trade? We need stuff that's going to bring us flimsy wooden battens. Should we trade that for 300?
No, that's with buy. That's buy.
Is it?
Yeah, we're on buy.
Clamp. I think we need the clamp for the car. What's that?
Suicide meat. I think you throw it and it attracts zombies.
What's that?
I don't know.
Or
So go
lender.
to sell. Go to sell first. Right then.
This
sell,
is this is
sell the rusty pipe.
Paddle. That paddle.
Which one?
No, this one.
That
This
one.
one. This one. This one.
The
This
cheap
one.
one. Yeah. The alcohol.
Not all of it, or just so
all
we've got
of it.
one.
All of it. Sell that bandages. We don't need them.
Yeah, we do.
Do we?
We might need them. We sell battered broomstick. How much is that worth? 22.
Huh. Should we upgrade that?
These are all.
Yeah.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
What? Buy package.
Buy back. They're the ones we sold.
Oh, okay. Buy. What can we buy?
Nothing, really.
Clamp.
Algae, clamp, and a leander.
Do we need a clamp for the car?
Shit, I made 7 for the flimsy cleaver.
What's that?
Look how much fucking damage it's done. It does.
Flimsy cleaver.
71 damage.
Freaking hell! And that's on the first freaking.
Oh, weak homemade cleaver. What's look at that one?
You can't still
67.
afford that.
You better go see
Don't be
James.
sneaking up on people.
Sure, I'll be surprised as hell to see you.
Where you gotta go? Where you going?
I want to see this dude. We can't get through there, can we?
No, there is a way.
Oh,
I've seen a way. Before.
Follow Colin. I will follow
Where
him.
the hell did they put that?
Why the hell did I put
James
that?
will probably want to talk to you first. He's in back there. You should go
Maybe
talk
there's
to
something
him.
I can use.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Freaking hospital. Got everything going
James is
on.
at the top of the lighthouse. Go see him.
Stealing stuff from behind him. James at the top of the lighthouse. Who are you, mate?
Talk to James for. I'm not letting you into the warehouse. Talk to James.
Woo! What's going into your knickers? Jeez Louise.
Oh shit! You're alive?
Holy shit, you're alive?
I'm James.
Yeah, whatever, mate. Like,
We're working on something.
Yes.
help
What we
people.
gotta do, help the people run the lighthouse. Difficulty
Yes.
hard, yeah, whatever.
You got it. Now, if you want to get off this island,
Yeah, okay. Okay, James. Thank you. Can we nick anything from you?
Yeah, take that.
Yeah, do we drink your energy drink and we
Take a chocolate bar.
and we take your recording?
I thought that's a chocolate bar.
We'll eat the recording!
unlike fire up.
Oh
I
god.
don't think so. No. Well, then when it
No,
comes,
sorry, I didn't mean to click that. I'm
You
sorry.
change your mind. Good luck.
What we got to do?
Get 4 flares from the wrecks on the coast.
No, we'll do that later on.
Yeah, do that later.
No way. Well, then when it comes, got a proposition for you.
Who's your mum?
Ah.
Well, we're not going to see that dude, are we?
Yeah.
Where's the one that's got something in his knickers?
Yeah.
What the hell? We followed James to this line. Marcus went to check.
Fine, Mark. Yeah, we'll have to do
Yeah, I'll
that.
give you a hand. All right.
Can you let me through now? Let me through!
No, you gotta find Marcus and fix the translators. Or transformers or whatever. Transformers.
Optimus Prime. Do a little bit more training with him. Get rid of some liars.
No.
Where the hell did they put that?
Where the hell did they put that?
Where's liars?
All the way down the bottom. Oh, well, it's canned food.
Where's that? We don't need that.
Five lighters. Don't need them.
We'll save one just in case.
Oh, okay. Ooh, like sell some more stuff
Not
Because-
gears.
because we've almost got enough for thingy. Yeah, sell one of them.
2 or just 1.
2. Sell one car part.
What's that?
So one-
Flexible hose.
Yeah. Sell
Sell
one.
that.
Sell one car part. Oh, fucking hell, they're only like 3.
What's that? Electrical scrap.
I think we've got enough now. Go another.
Should we get rid of that? No, it's 300 and something.
Flimsy cleaver.
Oh, we can buy it. That's a flimsy one.
Yeah, buy the flimsy one. Because its damage is 71.
Wait, can we upgrade it? No, we can't. Can we?
No, we need to go back to the place. Go and get that one. Go get that car. Can I drive it back? Let me drive the car back.
No, you ain't got to drive it back, have you?
No, just drive it back to the thing so we can upgrade the thing.
No, we don't need to upgrade it.
Wait, shit, where's the hammer? Where's our hammer?
I don't have to get our car now.
Swear. Shit, where's the hammer? Oh, it's there. That's good. Right, can I drive back?
Wait, 2 seconds. Yeah, but we ain't got to drive it back, have we?
There we are.
No, we haven't. We've got to drive to that flag to help whoever it is.
What, the
Whoever his
hospital?
name is. Whoever his name is. I'm trying to keep transport for us. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
So
good.
try not to run into any zombies then. Because that like breaks the windscreen and shit.
And try, it's a bit hard. That bus could have some stuff on it,
Wow.
couldn't it?
Yeah, I suppose.
Should we stop or not?
No, just go.
Let's go.
Some zombies over there. Run him. Run him down.
If you frick that freaking car, oh god, I missed the turning.
Beep, beep.
I've got to go. I'm just gonna drive round. How do you drive
Just jump up
round?
the steps. See if you can drive up the steps.
Why can't you drive to the?
Did you see that? I was giving him a blowjob.
Why can't you drive to the
I don't know. Just drive that zombie over. Look, he's giving him a blowy. Look, he's giving him a blowy.
Oh god. Hello, mate. Freaking hell, that reverses fast. Should I just leave it there? Will they get in? No, they won't.
No,
Will
they'll
they?
probably attack it though. But, well, you cleave them. I want to see what it looks like. Like how powerful it is.
Tommy, what the hell? That didn't even do nothing. Wow, we bought something that's £300 that don't do jack shit.
Even though it has, it's Oriana's rage face. Even though it's got 71 damage. Fuck off, nigga.
Well, now where?
Up there. Where are you going? Up there.
So I've got to run, you're saying all the way up these steps again? Well, this piss tank. Where are you taking
There.
me? I have no freaking health. And there's like 7 zombies. Oh, you can do
X.
this. Screw this.
Hello, Hammer. It's hammer time.
Can't stop it. Can't stop it. We're gonna die.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we're gonna die.
I died.
Die. Time to recover. 5. How are we supposed to recover? I'll do it again.
No,
I'll do it.
no.
No, what? This is my mission.
No, this is here.
Yeah. This is not it. What are you doing? This is not it, Matthew.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Because you've got to help that man.
Yeah, this is it.
What? So you start. Wow.
See?
Straight in the back of the head. Boom! You ducked from a shot. Shut up, you pussy.
You're dead,
Now
nigga.
what are you doing? Stop
Name's
hogging it.
Marcus.
You've had
I was
oh,
fixing
wow.
this piece of shit when these things came out of nowhere. See if you can get that other transformer back online while I finish
Not
fixing
you.
this one. Go.
What? So we've just come here to save your ass so we can go again.
Wow. Man, I did not die for him. Just for fucking nothing.
Away. Hello, Mojang. Dickhead. You got a dick on your head.
I just realised this is America, but it drives on the right side of the road. On the left side of the road.
Yeah.
I think it's America anyway. It seems like it.
I'm going the wrong way, aren't I?
Yep.
There's some woman driving.
What's that? 5-point turn.
Whoa. He wants me to go down there now.
Yeah.
Should I drive it down?
Drive it down there. Hello, Zombo. Smash the window. How do you smash the window?
It just smashes it, boys. Well, this saved a lot of money and time.
And probably health.
we've got to remember where we parked the car, haven't we?
Yeah.
I like it how it shows up like a little thingy, though.
What, like steering wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, can I do this? I love doing this.
Oh.
Shit, you have to disable them. Quick. The zombies will come after you.
I'm trying.
There's another one over there. There's another one over there.
It's off, don't worry. Turn on.
Oh. Then you have to turn them back on. There you go.
Jesus Christ. Flimsy stick, we don't want that.
No,
Is that all we came down here for?
I think so. Oh, wait, hang on. There we go.
Make sure we turned everything on.
Yeah, we did. Turned it all on. That's good.
I thought there was going to be like mass out of zombies come down here.
Because of the siren?
Yeah.
No. That's it, if I can.
Oh! Zeus!
What the fuck was that?
What the hell?
What the fuck?
Planking! That was plank, seriously. I smashed his head over the wall. What the hell was that?
Duct tape.
It was a dick tape for a second, wasn't it?
Oh, kinky.
Man. How am I? Oh dear. I'm end up gonna fall into the pool, aren't I? Don't stop the jeep.
That's at the Jeep party.
Oh Hello, my friends.
Skill points.
Oh dear, I'm stuck.
Skill points. We can spend them.
What does that mean?
Things we can spend. Then, yeah. Was buying. What would we buy? No, it wasn't that. It was combat and it was
We
fencing.
can't buy them. It's the only one we can buy.
Yeah, we can.
We can't buy them.
Why? We've got
Oh,
points.
we can. I'm stuck, sort of.
No, you're not. You're healthy. No, you're not. You're not stuck. Just drive into the pool all day.
No. I drove into the pool.
Now
Whee!
you're stuck. That Rev.
Anyone want a pie? Steel rod? Why would you carry steel rod? Bitch.
Well, have a look what's inside that building.
I don't know whether you can go inside there. No, you can't.
Oh. Right then, let's go. Let's go, nigga.
Yeah, we're taking a look.
Because you can really pick something up from there. Because that's realistic. I should have fly kicked him.
What the hell? Why aren't you doing your fucking weapon?
Oh shit, don't use the don't use that, we haven't got much health on it. Use the cleaver.
Shit. Look, it's bent.
Like you.
Can I pop a ball?
Yeah.
Just move that out of the way.
Right, we need to go back to the base and cover that. Right, fix it. Fix
Yeah,
our
look at it.
weapons.
It looks like freaking Rob's dick.
What, bent?
I'm gonna. I ain't that far away. Oh
You fucking shot yourself.
Well, you know,
Her leg's off.
you're not expecting someone to run out of freaking bushes at you like a pedo.
Hello. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there.
I thought
I
it
got
was a
some
freaking,
candy in my pants. Maybe you gotta reach on in there. Hey, can you talk to me?
right.
You're not
I'll
gonna let
stay
me in.
here.
You're just gonna let me like die out here. I can't believe I just gave him cash. Or taken cash from him, sorry.
Oh, you took cash from me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I
good.
took £47 from him. Oh, friends. You got skanked, mate.
You go for that red oyster milk.
Away.
Exclamation mark, sorry.
What's this?
Throw it at him. You missed. I need boomerangs. No. Look, it boomeranged back at you.
Sick. What the frickin' hell was that? It was him.
I say it's quite powerful then.
Actually, yeah, it is. 2 hits. No, it wasn't him.
Oh shit.
Fuck off.
Fuck off, nigga. Literally. You're a nigga.
Oh! Oh, screw it, I'm glitch.
Free running! Oh god! He wanted the hug. Mr. Ang Yang bear attack.
I'm like running everywhere.
It's like, fuck, 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 fuck.
Get out of here! Muppet. What do I call him? Are you taking a piss? You are taking a piss, aren't you? You're taking a piss. Oh my god, it's all the way back up here.
It's not that far.
Freaking is when you got like 7 million zombies chasing after you. Watch this. This is going to be the best dodge in the world.
Yeah, that's amazing. How much battery life do I have? Oh shit, I can't have a look.
How do the zombies keep running and then never... Can I get up there? Would that be a quicker way?
No. No, you can't. Oh, you can. Oh, what's up there? Oh, hi there.
Hi there. Probably like a giant zombie. I'm going the wrong way. I've got to get back on this road anyway. Ha! LOL! Hashtag lol.
I suppose it kind of fast. It's not fucking... This is Facebook, not Instagram, so stop fucking hashtagging.
Hashtag, PewDiePie. I mean, I don't know. Hashtag, don't know.
Oh look, they repaired it. Oh no, they didn't. Bitches.
Where the hell did they put that?
Where the hell did I put that?
Do you want to buy something from us?
Oh, he's got a baseball bat.
What?
We need a baseball bat, don't we?
Dangerous.
Dangerous baseball bat.
816!
Oh my god, but we can fucking use that. Oh my god.
What can we sell to him? Broomstick, that can go. What about... No, not that.
Deodorant.
No. What?
No need deodorant.
We don't want to smell like shit. Electric scrap. We can sell one of them, can't we?
Did you just...
Ah!
Did you just fart?
No, it's an... Ah! Jesus Christ, you need to get your hearing tested, seriously. We might as well just sell all the lemon juice.
Yeah.
Lighter,
Don't
ghee.
need magnets.
No, we're going to keep some of them.
Mint
Metal
nails.
scraps can go. What the frickin' painkillers, we'll keep them.
Okay,
2 phones, sell one of them.
In case I get a headache. We don't need soap.
Steel rods, they can go.
We might need the weapons.
One hand gun can go.
We need the wire.
We got 317 from him. We can buy a flimsy wooden baton. We can
Weak Morning Star, what was that?
What the? Should we buy it?
Nah. Nah, leave it.
Weak kitchen knife.
Weak heavy brass knuckles.
What should we buy?
Leave it, man. Just save up for the
Oh!
dependable baseball bat.
Okay. We need to fix this and there's not a thingy in here.
What do you mean?
There's not a
Can you come closer?
station. Or is there? Yeah, there is one. Good.
Have you fixed it? Yeah.
Okay.
Can we come on through now?
Yes.
Whoa!
I think you've done the thingy.
You still won't let me...
Come on. I'll open the storage shed for you.
It's opening it for you.
Where's the bench so we can repair
There you
this?
go, you can open it.
Is it through there? Yes.
Right, guys, we're gonna bring this video to an end and bring you one more episode tonight. Right, goodbye.
What's the time?